Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how to make viral car edits in Alight motion like this. So guys, first what you need to do is add the song from which you need to add the beats. Then guys, simply add the beats. A beat is where the song goes boom boom. After you guys have done that, click on the song and click on extract video, delete the video and then add your video. And then guys, zoom in and cut the clips. Then guys, after you have set it up the clips, come to the first beat where this clip starts and go click on this speed icon, this car speedometer icon. Come here and click on this button, this one, see it, this one, and then click on the first and give a keyframe here, add a keyframe here, go to the first keyframe, click on 0 and do 0.00x, no, absolute 0.00x. Come to the first beat and then click on this button and then come a little here like this and give speed to 4x and then come again to here, speed to 0.0x, and then what you have to do is give a curve here. See this icon here, this left and right arrow, click on it and then do this, make this kind of curve. This first starts super slow and at the end it will be like super fast. You guys need this curve. Click on copy curve and then click on paste curve to all keyframes, and then what you guys need to do is make the speed tail here. Now this will be super smooth, see it. Sorry guys, see this will right at the end, it will come super fast. Then guys, after that here is my second clip. So guys, here is my second clip. I need to drag it here. You guys also have to do the same, drag it up to here and then do this, and then what you guys need to do is do the same process. Do this and then right here 0.00x and then come to here, no, like here, come to here 4x, come to here and 0.00x, and then this button, see right here, this one, yes, no, sorry guys, you have to undo it. Here you have to go to this and paste curve to all keyframes, and then the graph we made earlier will be pasted here, and then after that guys you have to paste this will speed up right at the end and this will look super smooth. Now I have to drag my clip, it has like gone far away. You have to do this with all the clips, it takes a lot of time, but yeah, that's what Alight motion is for. Come here to the first, give a key here, and the first keyframe 0.00x, speed it up till here, give a key here 4x, and then here 0.00x, paste curve to all keyframes, and then do this. It will like speed up right at the very end and it will look smooth. Now I need to find this clip. Where is it? It's here, this one. Drag it up till here. Speed it up till here. give a keyframe here, give a keyframe here as well. First keyframe 0.0x, speed it up till this beat 4x, like 4x, and then add a key here 0.0x, and then paste cut to all keyframes the graph we made earlier, and then do this. This will speed up at the very end and it will look smooth. You guys need to do this to all your clips, and after that I will show you how to add blur right before the transition happens so it looks smooth as well. Without that it just feels empty. Speed, do the same. This, give a key here as well, 0.0x. Now speed it up till here. Give a key here, 4x, 0.0x, and then the graph we made earlier, paste curve to all keyframes. Then do this. We need to make a little bit of adjustment because we need to make it speed up here. See, it is not, so we need to do this and then do this again. Now see, it is a little faster, but we need to still do it more. Now it will be perfect. It is not. You just need it to speed up at the very end, and that needs to happen smoothly. Now it will be perfect. My Alight motion is hanging, sorry guys. Just copy every step I do. My device is lagging, I can't show you most of my work until I export it. This is the problem with my device. But guys, you just need to do this to all your clips. Give a speed icon, come here, speed it up till here, add a key here, 0.0x, and then speed it up till here, add a key here, 4x, 0.0x, speed it up till here now. Now here we have the same problem. Now we need to at least paste curve to all keyframes and add the graph and 0.0x, and now we need to speed it up till here. We need to do the same cycle, so at the very end it goes at least 2x speed. It will look super smooth this way. Guys, please subscribe. It takes a lot of work just to make these edits and help you guys. Guys, by the way, if you want more tutorials, you can ask. .0x, speed it up till here, do the same process, 4x, 0.0x, speed it up till here. Now you need to speed it up till here, and now do this. And now we need to paste the curve as well. My device is lagging, but if you export it, I promise it will look super smooth. Unless you guys did something wrong. Copy my steps full properly. If you copy full properly, then I guarantee that there will be no problem and your edits will be smooth. Copy each step like perfectly then. Speed it up here 4x, 0.0x, and now tell here now look, and now guys paste the curve as well. Now speed it up till here as well. Now it will genuinely look smooth, but without directional blur I don't think it will look that much smooth, but get it up till here. Need to get this clip, move it up to here to this beat. Now just copy my step from here. Guys, if the clip is like the beat length is too small, then just add keyframes like how I am doing right here. Like see, you need to add a keyframe right at here and then do this, then paste curve to all keyframes, and then it will speed up right at the end, which is what you want. Then just I need to delete this extra clip. You guys don't need to do this. Now for the last step, you need to put a fade in here. Go to effects and fade out, sorry. Go to search browser, search up fade out. No, sorry, I put fade, my mistake. Fade and out will pop up. Click here and then click on fade out. Add a key here 0.50 seconds and then this is 0.0. This to 0.0 and I think now it will be perfect. I just need to put my background. I made a mistake. This should be black. Now the fade out works perfect. See, this is what we want. Now just go to here, go to effects and just search up directional blur and add two keys, one at the start, one at the end. At the start you need to go to 90 degrees angle should be 90 degrees, exactly 90 degrees, and after that you have to add a key and then the strength should be 0.09. At this keyframe, the last one, the strength should be 0.01, and then you have to just click on the three dots here, click on copy effect and then click on add effect and then directional blur, yes, and then click on the three dots and click on the paste effect settings. You have to do this to every clip. It takes time, but once you learn it, it is pretty fun and enjoyable. paste effect settings. Guys, you have to do this to every clip. If you skip this part, it won't look as smooth. Click on paste effect settings, and at the last one you have to do the same. Directional blur, paste effect settings, and now you are done. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I spend a lot of time on making these edits and these tutorials for you, so guys, please hit that subscribe buttons, and guys, bye bye.